It's not a big thing, but it's so hard. Now that you've touched my useless heart. It's not a big thing, but I wanted to start. Now that you've touched my useless heart. Take me out, I wanna see. Big, big lights, they shine on me. I wanna lay my head and feel the beat. That's my way. That's my way.
Hey folks, and welcome to another bikepacking adventure. It's Friday, start of the weekend. The adventure has begun. Just about to cross the border into Nottinghamshire. Today I'm heading over to Fledborough Viaduct and finding a wild camping spot for the evening. Now I have camped not too far from the viaduct in the past, but today I'll try somewhere a little bit different along the NCN 64. But first I've got to get there. It's about 45k away, and I've turned the camera around. The sun is already quite low in the sky. It's coming up to 4:30. It's maybe an hour and a quarter before that sun sets on the horizon. I may be arriving in the dark, because not only have I got to get to the wild camping spot, I'm stopping off in Tuxford along the way. There's a co-op there. I'm going to nip in and buy some food for this evening and show you what I'm going to be cooking this evening. I'm looking forward to today's wild camp because I've got a brand new stove to show you. Really excited. I found my wild camping spot alongside the NCN 64. Just about to go setting up. As you can see, it is dark, and is it actually dark as well? I can't see anything apart from the lights of the bike. There's some nice blue sky. What's left of it anyway. It's going to be a good evening. It's going to be a cold evening because the temperature seems to have plummeted, so I need to cover my arms up. Let's get set up. I managed to put my bike up against this tree for the time being, so which always helps, cast a little bit of light so I can see what I'm doing. And I've set my route on Strava to just me who can see it as well. Always important when you're wild camp anywhere. So that's inside of a tent. Not got my bed sorted out yet, but what I brought with me is a season 1. And I paired that with a silk liner, one of the Sea to Summit ones. So hopefully that should be okay tonight. Hopefully the temperature doesn't drop too much. And I'm pairing that with a Climate Inertia X frame, which is a foam pad. I think it's got a little bit of a punch there. It's got a slow puncher in it, which is annoying. But so has my other one. But hopefully it's not going to get too cold tonight, and this will be fine. And of course I've made a makeshift pillow as well out of the Restrap dry bag, so hopefully he'll be alright. In terms of layers and things, some long bib shorts over some short bib shorts, nice hoodie, arm warmers, short sleeve, just base layer, and a woolly hat underneath her as well, and a little snood, so I should be fine regardless of whether I've got a season 3 sleeping bag or not. It's difficult carrying a season 3 sleeping bag and all this stuff as well, but I'm sure I'll manage it somehow a little bit later on in the year when it gets extra cold. I'll have to ditch something. Anyway, I better start cooking something. Got quite hungry on the way here, so yeah, what we've got with me today, nice compact frying pan. I went to the co-op in Tuxford, bought some steak, so I'm going to have some steak, asparagus and small little mini size baked beans as well, so I'm going to get that on the go. In terms of the stove itself, it's this one here. I'm going to do a proper review at some point once an hour while it goes, but compared to the usual one, it's half the size, and the other stove you could have 1 litre of water. This is 420 millilitres, so a lot better. And inside the bag we've got one of these rods, can't remember call them ferro rods or something like that, so we can use that to strike up. So unfortunately at the moment it's not got a windshield, but there shouldn't be any problems tonight though, because it's not much in the way of wind. Let's find that spot on the ground. It's starting to get underway now. Definitely need a windshield though. Probably going to get one of those takeaway containers you get from like a Chinese one, because it doesn't need a lot. You just need a little something to take the wind off. I think I need the beans. I certainly don't know how I'm going to cook them at the same time anyway. I've switched out the asparagus. I've eaten that, it was lovely. So I've got some baked beans on the go. Really I probably could have just done with asparagus or beans, not both. And this is the little stove. I've got some water waiting in there, and there's probably enough burner in there to make a brew as well. So yeah, nice cup of coffee. No way we'll press this trip though. I want to try and keep it relatively lightweight. It was enough weight already. It tasted really good, but it's a little bit well done for my liking. Yep, nearly boiled. Pretty sure the water's boiled enough now. Look at that. Well, as you no doubt can hear, it is raining. It's supposed to stop in the next half an hour, so I'm just continuing packing stuff away. And hopefully by the time to take tent down, it stops raining, I can start my ride. So this morning I'm going to get the stove on the go again, and I've got some porridge oats, so I'm going to take 2 of those and make some porridge and a cup of coffee and some orange juice. So let's crack on, and hopefully by the time that's all done, rain will have stopped. Yeah, definitely gonna have to get a little windshield for this, some kind. But I've just put everything around it to try and stop the wind coming underneath there. And today, the gap between the ground and the bottom of the tent is quite large, because unfortunately the ground that I'm sat on I've really struggled to peg in. It's been really difficult. Anyway, I'm going to leave this video here. I'm not going to bore you with boiling water. Got any comments, questions, don't forget to stick them down below. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.